Hello, my name is Angelina. Welcome to our guide on AceVacuums' central vacuum system, motor repair and replacement process. We take pride in offering professional and customer-focused central vacuum services to ensure your vacuum system operates at peak performance. Let's dive into our detailed approach. The first step in our central vacuum repair process is the inspection and diagnosis. Our central vacuum technicians listen to your concerns and perform a central vacuum system check to confirm motor-related issues. This involves checking central vacuum suction levels and inspecting power supply connections. Once the central vacuum motor issue is identified, we disconnect the power and access the motor compartment. Our central vacuum technician will inspect surrounding components for damage and ensure no debris has caused overheating. This thorough examination guides our central vacuum repair or replacement decision. If central vacuum repair is feasible, we replace worn motor brushes, clean internal components, and lubricate bearings. The repaired central vacuum motor is then tested to ensure efficient and quiet operation. This meticulous process restores your central vacuum's functionality. In cases where central vacuum motor replacement is necessary, we use genuine central vacuum motor that meets specifications. The old motor is carefully removed, and the new central vacuum motor is installed with secure connections. This ensures optimal performance and durability. After central vacuum repair or replacement, comprehensive system testing is conducted. Our central vacuum technician will verify suction consistency across all inlets and inspect for leaks. Our tools ensure the central vacuum system operates at the correct speed and power without excessive noise. Before completing the central vacuum repair and service, our central vacuum technician will reassemble the unit and clean the workspace. Our central vacuum technician will provide maintenance tips and follow-up support, ensuring your satisfaction. We offer a warranty on both the motor and labor performed. Thank you for choosing AceVacuums for your central vacuum motor repair and replacement needs. Our experienced central vacuum technicians, genuine parts, and affordable pricing ensure your central vacuum system runs like new. Contact us, AceVacuums, for reliable and efficient service you can trust.